I want you to be like, hi
friends. So today we're here making this video because I bought something online and I wanted to try it out. And
it was a little like leaf, not a leaf, but like
a special test.
And it was just like.
And I want to show it to you guys, but for some reason the packaging details was on there, so I tried to rip it off and I made it worse. But it's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. And I saw this online and I wanted to try it out since my hair is very crazy, very unpredictable. And this girl who had kind of curlyish hair made a video, so I was like, why don't I make a video? So I wanted to try, and I'm here with Bae because I just wanted you to be here. No.
You don't know? Fine, okay.
And plus, because if it's easy to do, I want to show him so he could do it for me. Okay, so I brought all the essentials. I brought some hair clips, my hairbrush with a million pieces of hair. Huh?
Kelly.
I brought my heat protectant, which is the new one that I'm using. It's not even gonna focus. Hello.
I feel like you're gonna forget something. You'll be like, oh, I'll be back, I'll be back.
And this intense hydration oil.
Come on.
Intense hydration oil that I've been using since my hair needs it. But it's not even gonna focus. It's focusing on your head. Now it's focusing on my head. Come on. Oh, almost? Nope. Anyways, intense hydration oil, okay? Intense. So this is my hair. So let's put on this heat.
Okay, maybe I should move.
This heat protectant. Let me take off my ring because I don't want it to get wet. And let me put it on my ends because you know my ends suffer the most. Okay. And then we're gonna brush it. We're gonna brush it.
Oof, girl.
Oh, I just noticed that you guys are probably gonna hear the AC the whole time. Girl, it is hot in here, so I was gonna turn it off, but I might not. So, there we go. We're gonna brush it. Babe, where'd you go? Oh, he has to sneeze. There we go. And then we are going to separate it. Like he almost fell. I wish the camera was pointed that way. We're gonna clip it here. And then let's open this. So, oh my gosh, my hair is like everywhere. So, I hope you guys can see this video well. Okay. So,
you don't know what I asked.
Whoa. I don't have that much hair.
There's no instructions.
Yeah, they were here. But there's not like a smaller setting. That is huge. That's like all my hair. Okay, anyways, it's supposed to look like you just went and got a what's it called? Like your hair blow dried. So I'm not gonna read those because I don't know. Just kidding. Cleaning blow. So, wait, I actually do have to read them because...
Okay, why you do that?
It's not even instructions. It's just like, oh, limited 48-month warranty. So... Okay. So I think I'm going to section this off in half. I'll use a different clip so I know. Grab that hair, not the other.
Clip it, clip it. You don't know what that's for? Clip it real good.
Let me put yours a little bit up so you guys can see.
No? Clip it, clip it. Like Tiger Woods. You don't know where that's from?
No. And sorry guys about this random spot. It's just because there's a plug right here. So it's...
You don't want channel on that?
Should I put it on cool or what? How the damn hell do I use it? Okay. I thought it was like a straightener. I do, but I don't remember that. Okay, so let's take a piece of hair. It just like burns off all my hair. Well, at least from the bottom. So let's do... Low. It's hot. I can't even see what I'm doing.
Okay, I think I'm gonna move. Cause it's light.
It's flat. Oh no, it's not. Did it do it?
No.
Is this hot? It didn't even do anything. Let's try this part. Let's clip this up here. Clip it. What?
What?
What was the thing?
Clip it.
So let's try. I'm on low because I don't know how to use it and I'm kind of scared. You could just see smoke.
It looks better.
No, the girl didn't. She looked fabulous. Maybe I got the wrong one. I got it on the link that she put.
Not far.
Well, actually, no, I didn't. I looked it up after. What if we put on high? My hair's already hot though. I can't even see like in the thing because it's so far away. Well, not far away, but it's so tiny. But then what do I do about this hair? This hair is so tiny. I'll just clip it away. Does it look better or does it look stupid? Because her hair looks super shiny after and like so straight. Let's just do my whole hair and then we'll come back and be like, or not. But I'm just gonna speed this up so I can actually listen to music because I ain't trying to get no copyright on my 0 views. And of course, I have to listen to the soundtrack of Descendants 3 because it just came out. But my phone. Okay, open your eyes. What do you think?
It's better. Much better.
Oh. What do you really think?
I like it.
I love it, guys. So I always straighten my hair because I feel like I'm very, like, sometimes I get frustrated with my hair. This literally took me less time than my straightener, and it gave me better results because with my straightener, sometimes I still have to curl it after so it doesn't look too straight because I feel like I look fat. I know, insecurities. And then this, for the top of my head, for like my bangs, I just use the low setting, and for the rest I use the high one. And literally, like, I can touch it, like, it's not that hot, and it doesn't get as hot as like a straightener or anything like that. And you can literally like touch your hair like this while it's on, and like it won't hurt or anything. So I definitely love it. I recommend it. I love it so much. I'm gonna use it instead of my straightener probably, because I bought a straightener for these little hairs down here because they wouldn't stay, but I mean my other hair covers it, so it doesn't matter, because it is a little big to like get in those. Or maybe I will get into them later when I get a little bit more experience. But overall, I really like it. Do you like it? And then it did give me a lot of shine, ¿verdad? You could see it right there. It did give me the shine, so the girl was right. I'm gonna link her video down below though. But yeah, but even then, I'm gonna put a little bit of my intense hydration because, sorry guys, cut me off. But my intense hydration, and it just helps with my puffiness. But I love it, guys.
Oof, not a strong smell, but
oh. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about baby being sleepy back there. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.